Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are doing a Cocomelon cake. I'm starting off with 3 layers of my chocolate cake recipe, and I am filling it with a chocolate whipped cream. And these are 6-inch cakes that I am using. I'm repeating the process for the second layer. And now I can start on my crumb coat. And the crumb coat is just a thin layer of frosting that will seal in all of my crumbs. And this was actually a cake request that I am doing. And this was made for a family member. Their baby just turned 1 year old. I'm finishing off on my crumb coat, and then this will go into the freezer for it to chill just for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to take this back out and start on my final frosting. And now that it's back out and nice and chilled, I am finishing up on frosting my cake. And today I'm using a yellow, green, and blue. It's more pastel that I did. I'm trying to hide any of the gaps on the bottom of my cake board and smoothing it back out. Once I get it to where I'd like it, I'm going to start on my texture for the cake. And here I'm just using my offset spatula for that. I'm also making sure that my spatula is nice and clean every time I get to the next color. And now I'm just scraping off the edges and finishing off the top. And once I'm done, I'm going to place this back into the freezer for it to chill while I start working on the blocks. So I just have a silicone mold, which are cubes. I'm going to be using Wilton candy melts. I have some white, and also I will be using lavender. I'm just placing my chocolate into a bowl, and I'm going to place this into the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds, just so that it is hot enough to melt. Now that it's nice and smooth, I can go ahead and just fill in the cavity of my mold. And this is what I'm using to do the ABC blocks on top of my cake. I'm going to shake it off, make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I'm popping this into the freezer for it to be nice and solid. Once it's out, I'm just going to take it out. And this is what it's going to look like. And these are going on top of my cake. And this is the piping tip that I am using. It's a number 301 that I will be using to pipe in the letters onto these blocks. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Here is my tutorial on how I made a Cocomelon birthday cake. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I made this cake. If you guys did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.